Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope you will be fine. As I was teaching you about different parts of speech, and in previous lesson I taught you about noun and its different kinds. And in different kinds, I had taught you about common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, concrete noun, countable noun, uncountable noun, feminine noun, masculine noun, and singular noun and plural noun. And I had made the pairs of these nouns so that we can differentiate between the both nouns. For example, common and proper noun, this is the pair, and abstract and concrete noun, countable and uncountable noun. Similarly, singular and plural noun, and masculine and feminine nouns. These are the pair of different types of nouns, and when we learn both of these pair of nouns, we can understand what is the difference between these both nouns and how we can use them in different type of sentences. For example, what is the common noun and what is the proper noun? If we say that Pakistan, this is the proper noun, and if we say country, this is the common noun. In this way, we can learn in a better way. Similarly, if we say happiness, this is the abstract noun, because happiness can never be, it has no physical form. But if we say table, this is the concrete noun, because table is has a physical form. Similarly, if I say hen, the opposite of hen will be the cock. This is the feminine and masculine nouns. Similarly, if we say chair and chairs, these are the singular and plural noun. In this way, we can understand in a better way if we make the pair of these different type of nouns. So after learning these pairs of nouns, now there is a turn of learning different type of other nouns. For example, collective nouns, compound nouns, and material nouns. What are the collective nouns, what are the compound nouns, and what are the material nouns? These are those nouns which we will learn separately, and inshallah I hope you will understand them in a better way. So let's start our lesson. Okay, dear students, these are the different kinds of noun in which we have discussed the pairs, different pairs in previous lesson. Number one, proper and common noun. Proper and common noun, we have discussed it. Concrete and abstract noun, we have also discussed it. Countable and uncountable noun, it has also been discussed. Singular and plural noun, this was also discussed. Masculine and feminine noun, I have also discussed this pair of noun. So now there is a turn of discussing or learning these three kinds of noun. And the first one is the sixth one is collective noun, compound noun, and material noun. So we can say that there are how many kinds of nouns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So there are 13 different kinds of nouns in which we have discussed the first 5 pairs, and now we are going to discuss the 6th, 7th and the 8th kind of noun separately. Okay, now the collective noun. What is the definition of collective noun? A set of things, people or animal when regarded as a single group is called collective noun. When a set of things, people or animal, when they regarded as a single group, it is called collective noun. For example, herd, bunch, crowd, team, class, army, nation, etc. Herd, it is used for animals, group of animals. Bunch, it is used for flowers or fruit. Bunch of bananas, bunch of grapes, bunch of flowers, etc. Crowd, it is also used for people, ordinarily we use for people, crowd of people. Team, it is also used for a member of all those persons who work or play at for one purpose, that is called a team. Class, army and nation, these are all called collective noun. Now there is another kind of noun that is called compound noun. What is the definition of compound noun? Some nouns are made up of more than one word. These are written as one word, separated word or hyphenated word. That's why these are called compound words. Some nouns are made. How? Made up of more than one word. In some nouns you will find more than one words. And these more than one word, these are written as sometime as one word, sometime as separated word and sometime hyphenated word. That's why these are called compound nouns. For examples, class fellow. For example, class fellow, grandmother, brother-in-law and necklace, etc. Class fellow. Now these are two nouns, two words, class and fellow, and we had made it one word by using by combining them, class fellow. Now this is a noun and it is called compound noun. We have not joined these two words, but we have there is a space between these two words. Now look at this one, grandmother. These are also two words, grand and mother, and we have made it compound word by joining them. Grand and mother, there is no space between these two words, so this is joined, and this is also called compound noun. Now look at the third one, brother-in-law. Now these are three words, brother-in-law. We have combined these three words by using hyphen. So this word is called hyphenated word, and this is also called compound noun with hyphens. And this one is necklace, another word. This is neck and this is lace. These are two words, and we have made it one word, and it is called compound noun. There is no space, there is no hyphen. So this is the definition and examples of compound nouns. Now this is the last one kind of noun, that is material noun. Definition of material noun: when any material is given some name, it is called material noun. Any material, when we give it some name, it will be called material noun. For example, gold. It is a material and the name of this material is gold, so it is called material noun. Silver, it is also a material and we have given it a name, silver, so it is called material noun. Wood, it is also a material, so it will be called material noun. Silk, it is also a material, so we will call it material noun. Similarly, wool, it is a material. Cotton, it is also a material, so we have given them the name silk, wool and cotton, so these are all material noun. Material noun, when we give any material a name, it is called material noun. Gold, silver, wood, silk, wool, cotton, etc. These are all material nouns, so they will be they are all materials, so they will be called material noun. So dear students, hope it will be clear to you that what is the definition of noun and how many kinds of nouns are there, and I also taught you with examples. Now you will look at the board. There are written 13 kinds of noun: proper, common, concrete, abstract, countable, uncountable, singular, plural, masculine, feminine, collective, compound and material noun. Now look at the first one too. These are proper and common noun. These are the basic kinds of noun, and all these kinds of nouns, these are derived from the proper and common noun. So always remember that there are 13 kinds of nouns, and also you should know about the examples of these nouns, that which is the proper, which is the common noun, concrete, abstract. It should be easy for you if you learn them in pairs, and it will be very easy for you to use them in different type of sentences and paragraph and essays as well. Okay. I think it would be clear to you. If there is any question, you can ask me, and inshallah in next lesson I will teach you about the second part of speech, that is pronoun, that what is the definition of pronoun and how many kinds of pronouns are there in English grammar. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.